Hello everyone, this is Gavin with TrueDoor Property Management again, here today to present to you for Morningstar in Irvine, California. It is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome at 1,600 square feet. It is located in a quiet, family-friendly community that does have access to a community park as well as community pool. It is tucked away back here towards the back of the community, so very nice and quiet, with lots of beautiful greenery. It does come with a lovely front patio area, as well as a little garden. So perfect for some outdoor furniture and just enjoying the fresh air. We'll go and step inside and show you what this property has to offer. As you step inside, you are greeted by the living room. Very nice and spacious. It does have a sliding glass door leading out to the front patio area as well. And it does feature a charming tile fireplace for those cool winter months. And it does open up to an additional space up here, which you could use as a dining room or just an extension of the living room. Perfect for family movie nights or entertaining any guests. There is a half bathroom located here on the first floor for convenient guest use, or if you're hanging out on the first floor. And you are then led to the kitchen area, which is nice and open. We have this beautiful flooring in here. So there is room for a dining room table in here, perfect for enjoying meals with your loved ones. You do have a lovely floating island, perfect for cooking and preparing food. The kitchen does feature elegant hardwood cabinetry, as well as beautiful tile countertops. It is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, stove and oven, as well as a microwave. So everything that you need is already here. And the kitchen does lead to a nice little balcony, perfect for a couple of chairs, enjoying your morning coffee. This property does come with an attached 2-car garage, which we will go ahead and check out now before we head on upstairs. So again, it is attached, so super nice and convenient. You can just enter the home through here. But nice and spacious garage, perfect for your vehicle storage, or if you like working on projects. And even better, there is a washer and dryer with the unit. We'll go ahead and head on upstairs where the bedrooms and the remaining bathrooms are going to be. We will start over on the left. Very spacious bedroom. Nice clean carpets. Nice big window, allowing lots of natural light to fill the space. So lots of room for relaxation. Again, it is very expansive here in this bedroom. You do have a nice big closet, perfect for all your storage needs. Goes all the way through with those big sliding doors. And then the ensuite bathroom featuring a very attractive single vanity with a nice big mirror, perfect for your morning routine. And then a lovely shower with a nice big tub and toilet right over here. Last but not least, we'll check out the second bedroom and bathroom. Very similarly to the previous, nice and expansive, nice big window, allowing lots of natural light to enter the room. We do have some vaulted ceilings in this room as well, making it feel even more spacious. It is going to have the ensuite bathroom with the 2 sinks set up and a nice big mirror. And perfect for getting ready in the mornings. And you're gonna have a lovely tile shower and then that deep tub, toilet. And this bedroom is going to have a walk-in closet. So plenty of space for your entire wardrobe. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for us here at 4 Morningstar in Irvine, California. It is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome at 1,600 square feet. So very spacious. It is located in the back of a quiet, family-friendly community that does include access to amenities such as a park and a pool. It does feature an attached 2-car garage, and it is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a dishwasher, stove and oven, microwave, and refrigerator, as well as an in-unit washer and dryer. So you definitely do not want to miss out on this one. It is available for rent now. So if you are interested, you can visit our website at www.TrueDoorPM.com in order to schedule a showing or submit an application. Thank you so much, everyone.